Now let's delve into the beauty tangle Foundabout by Zentangle. This tangle has a fascinating backstory, and it was created as a result of Maria's midnight meanderings. Foundabout starts with basic lines that weave back and forth, and as more strokes are added, the original weaving structure becomes organic and seemingly random and wild. It's a true testament to the creative spirit of Zentangle. Welcome to the 2025 Inktober Labyrinth Tangle Journey. I've created a toolkit with the templates, step outs, and beginner resources. Grab it with the link below. And if you want all the details about how this journey works, watch our intro video inside the playlist. I'll leave the link in the description and in the comments. Now let's delve into the beauty tangle Foundabout by Zentangle. This tangle has a fascinating backstory, and it was created as a result of Maria's midnight meanderings. Foundabout starts with basic lines that weave back and forth, and as more strokes are added, the original weaving structure becomes organic and seemingly random and wild. It's a true testament to the creative spirit of Zentangle. I'm going to use my graphite pencil to start with, and then I have my Micron 01 here and the 08 for anywhere that I'm going to be doing some inking. Not sure if I'll use it on this pattern or not, but I like to have it around. I have my graphite pencil for shading and my blending tool. I have a gel pen, a number 10 jelly roll pen that will put some highlights, and I'll also use this hot pink for some touch-ups. And we're going to start with I'm going to start with my graphite. Now this is a vine tangle, and there's a lot of different ways that you can use this. I am going to start the way we normally start in a Zentangle method by putting the 4 dots in a corner and then creating a border. I'm turning my tile and keeping my hand in the same position so that I can get the best strokes, keeping my hand comfortable and turning the tile. This is a 2-inch bijou. That's a 2-inch bijou tile. And if you haven't already joined our community, the link is in the description. And I encourage you to try creating step outs, because you really learn a lot about the pattern between creating a step out and your sketch pad before you go to, if you're using the mandala or whatever good paper that you're using to put your tangles on each day, if that's what you've chosen to do. It's a good idea to practice these tiles, especially if you're a beginner. So we're going to start with number 1, and in doing that, I'm going to pick up my pen and I'm going to put this V shape. So I'm going to come up And I'm going to start in the corner, and I'm going to give it a nice C shape. That's my idea. And then I'm going to come back on the other side, give it a nice little point there, and come back down to where you started. That's step one. Step two, we're going to come on the other side, and we're going to repeat and give a nice curve line. And then I'm going to turn my tile and give it another C and come back. In step three, we just did here and then build upon it. Let's continue. And then this goes in the opposite direction. I'm going to do this. Oh yeah. We move on to the next step. We're going to start at the bottom. It works easier going from the bottom up. So I'm going to make an S shape and connect. S shapes, these curved lines, and it took me a while to get back to be able to make these beautiful curved lines. It took me some practice, but they really show grace and form. Now I'm going to turn my tile, and I'm going to come and do the same thing here. All right, now I'm going to turn it back around. You can start seeing that it has the shape, but we're going to go to the fourth step. And what we're doing is we're really building up, we're going to do the what we call Haliba over under, and we're building the part of the petal that gets hidden. So if you take your pen and you come here, and you can finish it. All right, so this is how we do it on this side. I'm going to bring it from here to here. And check, and I'm going to come around the back. And right in here, there's a little piece. So that basically, that's the pattern. And now we're going to embellish it. I'm going to take a look at this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some orbs in this aura here. So how are you enjoying Inktober tangles this year so far? Leave me
a message in the comments. Let me know how you're liking it. Let me know what you're doing and what you discovered. What is your favorite tangle so far? I've been looking back over what we've done and also what's coming up, and I'm just really excited about all the beautiful tangle patterns that we are learning here this month during Inktober. You know, this happens once a year. There's a lot of creative Zentangle art that's happening all over YouTube during the month. So check out some other sites. On this site here, I basically am giving you the beginner. This is geared towards beginners, those that may not have ever tried Zentangle before and want to get in. When I tangle, I like to have music on. I have that meditative music on Spotify that I created for you, and the link is in the description. It's also in the beginner's guide too. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting a little bit of definition so we get an idea that we have a whole pattern here. So this is just giving it a little bit of contrast and definition, and just a moment I'm going to shade, and then we'll be done. There's definitely a lot that you can do. I want to try and keep these to around 20 minutes. It's been a challenge for me, yeah, but I'm getting closer. So as I said, there are plenty other videos where you can watch. So there you have it. This is Foundabout.
If you enjoyed today's tangle, grab the Inktober Labyrinth Toolkit. It includes the template, step out, supply list, and beginner-friendly resources to make this journey easy. And if you'd like accountability and support, join our Creators Art Lab community, where we draw together every week during the month of October. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a daily tangle. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you in the next video.